When I engage the mower blades, I get a loud rattling noise.
Hello and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is XXXXX I will do my very best to get you the answer you need to your question. How are you today?
Fine.
Thanks. I will do my best to figure out what is going on with your mower. Would you happen to have the model numbers available from your mower?
No, not offhand.
No problem. We can work without them. I can tell you what to look for when you are near your mower.
Everything on the pulleys seems to be tight.
Full-size image. Here is an image we can use for references. The noise is likely caused by a worn bearing in one of your spindle assemblies, a worn idler pulley, a loose blade, or your blade could be striking your deck. If you remove your deck belt, this will allow you the freedom to give your spindle assemblies and your idler pulleys a really good spin as you check for faults. Also check for a loose idler arm.
I did check to see if the blades were hitting. They weren't. I spun the pulleys as best as I could. Everything seems okay, but I'm thinking it's a bearing. Are they hard to replace?
Replacing your bearings is not too difficult. As long as your spindle is not worn or cracked, new bearings will cost a lot less than replacing the complete spindle assembly.
Okay, thank you.
If you remove the nut that holds your spindle pulley, your spindle shaft will come out fairly easy.
Are the bearings pressed on?
You should be able to just lightly and carefully tap them out. I recommend that you do not remove your spindle from your deck when you are making these repairs.
So I can do it in place?
Yes, you can. Sometimes a bolt can easily break off in your spindle when you are attempting to remove it from your deck. This does not matter if you are replacing your spindle assembly. Remember to make notes when you are removing everything. This will help you when you are putting everything back together.
Thanks again, your answers helped a lot.
You are very welcome, and I hope all goes well for you.
I'll take pictures with my cell phone.
Very good.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.